Hey, it's Kel. If you watched my RAG Chatbot video, you know I built an AI chatbot for my portfolio. It works great, pulls context from my knowledge base, and answers questions about me using OpenAI. It's functionally useful, but I wanted to take it a step further. Right now, when you open the chatbot, it shows these suggested questions, but they're the same on every page. What if those suggested questions changed based on which page you're viewing? And what if the chatbot itself adapted its responses based on context? So I added page context awareness to make it smarter and more personalized. Now when you ask a question, the chatbot knows which page you're on and changes its response accordingly. Same question, completely different answer depending on context. In this video, I'm walking through exactly how I did it. Let's go. Okay, quick recap from the RAG Chatbot video. It works by using N8N, which is a workflow automation tool to pull relevant chunks from my knowledge base. So what were the chunks? They're basically snippets of information about me, like if someone asks, tell me about your experience. N8N searches through everything I've written about myself, my website, my resume, my LinkedIn, and pulls out the most relevant pieces. Level 1 is the foundation. Here's the idea. Every time someone opens up the chatbot, we capture information about which page they're on. What information are we capturing? Current page URL, page title, the host name, and that's it. Just basic information that's already available in the browser. Level 2 is where it gets interesting. Now that we know which page the user is on, we can actually use that information to improve the chatbot experience. When you go to the product management page and open the chatbot, the suggested questions completely change. And on the portfolio page, they're different again. This happens automatically. Same widget code, the suggested questions just change based on which page you're viewing. The starter questions prime the user. They signal what the chatbot is ready to talk about. And here's level 3, dynamic system prompts. This is the real magic. I'm going to ask the same question on 2 different pages and show you the completely different answers. How does this work? It's all about what I call the system prompt. Think of the system prompt as instructions for the AI. It's like saying, hey, ChatGPT, pretend you're a helpful assistant at the beginning of a conversation. What I'm doing is customizing those instructions based on what page the user is on. It's like if you asked a friend, tell me about your experience at work versus at a party. Same friend, same background, but because of the context, they talk about different things. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, check out the channel for other tutorials on AI, product management, and more.